Storms that are heading into our area. What's the latest?
Well, Patrick, these storms are really starting to pop up, develop, and with them have been some damaging winds as we anticipated with these storms. Getting reports already this morning of power outages in Connecticut from gusty winds. In fact, just saw here a report of a 56-mile-an-hour wind gust over East Haven, Connecticut. Now, in our area, watching several storms that are popping up. One with this line over Buzzards Bay and Cape Cod Canal this morning. These are all racing up to the northeast. We're talking about moving at rates of about 50 miles per hour. We've got a developing thunderstorm over Block Island right now and some heavier rain that's now falling over westerly and heading up 95 this morning. So the rain expected to pick up and intensify over parts of Warwick, West Warwick, and Providence here in the next few minutes. We've got our lightning tracker turned on. There's a significant line here of thunderstorms over Springfield and heading towards Hartford. And again, this has had a history of some strong winds with it. These storms developing an area of very active winds in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere, which will make us more prone to a strong and potentially damaging wind. So we're in a high threat here over the morning hours, and we're talking about now through about 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning for high impacts during the morning commute with street flooding possible and any heavier downpours. Live city cam over Providence right now. We've been feeling the winds picking up this morning, 67 degrees. It's a very mild start. Winds from the south at 14 miles per hour. So wind gusts so far over Providence and into southeastern Massachusetts, not damaging, but want to look off to our west and New Haven with about a 40-mile-an-hour wind gust here in this last hour. Willimantic 30, Groton at 30. So those higher winds going to be moving into our area, and we are looking at, again, a very active morning at the bus stop with rain and thunderstorms, raincoat and rain boots, temperatures in the 60s. Good news is by the afternoon, it's all out of here. In fact, by later this morning, after 9 o'clock, it should be out of here very quickly. The sun will quickly return, and it'll be breezy and warm for the second half of the day today. Here's the bigger picture on satellite and radar, and you can see where the stormy weather here is racing through New England. Once this front clears out, the humidity will drop. Our skies again will be clearing. Lightning tracker, though, showing those cloud-to-ground lightning strikes over the last hour starting to pick up in our area, and we're especially concerned with storms developing over and south of Long Island and then making their way into our area here in Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. So rain and thunder for the commute this morning, temperatures in the 60s. Here's the Futurecast as we head through the next few hours. Rain again and thunderstorms continuing to roll through. By the afternoon, they're cleared out, sun's shining. It should be a beautiful afternoon in the 70s, warmer than normal for early October. Winds will still stay busy, some gusts up to 30 miles per hour, especially early this afternoon. As the winds die down, the skies are clear overnight. It's going to set us up for a cooler night into the upper 40s by dawn tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow looks like a sunny but a cooler day with highs in the 60s. We'll be in the middle 70s this afternoon, breezy and mild along the south coast. Temperatures near 73. Second half of the day, dry, windy and warm. And in northwestern Rhode Island, all the storms are out of here. It'll be dry, bright this afternoon, low and mid 70s, second half of the day. And the temperatures for southeastern Massachusetts should be in the low to mid 70s as well with brisk winds. 7-day Futurecast from the mid 70s today to more seasonable temperatures. The rest of the week into the weekend will be in the 60s for highs, nighttime lows in the 40s. Still looking at some rain possible for especially Friday night and early Saturday. It'll clear out Saturday afternoon, and Sunday looks dry. Monday, increasing clouds, but mainly dry, and could see some showers around here Monday night into perhaps Tuesday.